much the home screen of the AI application. You have a lot of templates. First of all, this is a template AI application. All you have to do is just to look whichever template you'd like to use and upload a photo, and you're pretty much good to go based on what these are offering. So as you can see, there are a lot of templates which you can use. You have the photo section, you have the home section here with different templates as well which you can use. All you have to do is just select whichever one you want to use. For example, this one here, and this is pretty much the result you'll be getting for each template. All you have to do is pretty much just upload a clear full body image of yourself or a face of yourself, and you're pretty much good to go, or any image at all. So that's just how easy the application is to use. You have the member section. If you do get a subscription, you have these pro templates as well which you can use, but these will require you to get a subscription. As you can see, there are a lot of them. So for example, this one here, and as you can see, you can also copy the prompt that they have used and so forth. You can create something similar to this. You have some other templates which you can use as well. As you can see here, you can create something like that. So very easy application to use. And to get the pro subscription for this application here, you'd have to tap on the pro at the top here, and you'll be able to see their prices and pretty much everything that they offer. So you do get coins. Do keep in mind you're going to need credit points to generate these videos and photos when using this application here. You can see their weekly subscription here, how much points you'll be getting, and their yearly subscription and how much points you'll be getting. So very good AI application. And if I missed anything at all with this AI application, just let me know in the comment section and I will see if I can help you. Very easy to use.